Hello, friends. Hope you all are well. Today's topic is with regards to the data health assessment. Why data health assessment is important? Many a times, the enterprises they believe that they have the right data, and the stakeholders are the custodians of the data. They believe that they have the right data. But until and unless you diagnose your data, until and unless you go through an assessment of that, you will not know whether your data really carries that value or not. And to discover or to unearth the value of the data or the information that is hidden within the data, every enterprise need to do periodic data health assessment, be it for your vendor master, be it for your business partner, be it for your customer master, be it for your item or material master or service master or asset master. Every data object needs to go through a health assessment periodically. It could be every 6 months, it could be every year. Every year is the right practice because that is how we have been advising our customers for the past 2 decades or so. But why you need the data health assessment? Because over a period of time, certain policies that are governing the data might have changed over the years or over the period of time. Just because of some statutory or regulatory compliances, some of the governance rules need to change, some of the business rules need to change, or maybe some of the standards are also evolving. Those standards need to be adapted, and this gap will not be known to the stakeholders or to the board members or to the C level until and unless you perform the data health assessment. And what is the objective of it? Objective of data health assessment is to identify the gaps that are non-compliance with regards to any of the standards or regulatory or statutory requirements, or maybe import and export of that, all of that. Plus, we want to have lean and healthy master data. And as long as the healthiness of the data is maintained and governed, you would have the right data. If you let the data just grow rapidly without putting down the controls on it, and if it is not sustained as a lean as well as the healthy master data within your enterprise, and it is just growing it, then it doesn't make sense. Yes, data can grow, but you also need to make sure that the data elements, the data records that are growing are actually the new records. The actually is the additional information or the enrichment, not just the duplication of it, not just you are trying to collect all the data but without any governance into it. So data health assessment proves a vital weapon for the CDOs, CIOs, and CFOs and CEOs, all the C level, as well as those data leaders within the organization who can actually pinpoint where the issues are, and they would be able to fine tune their governance solution and then implement the new policies, implement the new SOPs, implement new processes within the governance solution. Because every governance solution need to go through this change management every year or so, based upon the inputs that are coming out of the data health assessment. And data health assessment, yes, sounds like a very specialized thing, but with Pilox cloud platform, you can subscribe to data health assessment and you can run it yourself, and you will get a comprehensive report. And that report will pinpoint what are the issues within the data, what are the non-compliances within the data, and that can give you the inputs to take subsequent actions that would help you strengthen your governance rules and policies. So log on to pilotcloud.com, which is a simple subscription based model, wherein you can subscribe, you can get your data set, run it, get the report out. And if you need some help in terms of interpreting the report, okay, get some of the consulting hours from the senior consultants that are published on pilotcloud.com. So this way you can actually run the data health assessment every 6 months or every year or so, and then you can get actual value out of your entire data governance practices. Thank you.